Welcome back, folks, to another episode. Today we're back at Niles Community Park and we're gonna set up the mega ramp for our long jump competition. If you like our content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. But stick around because we're gonna be setting up this epic ramp and we're gonna be getting some massive air, and you're not gonna wanna miss that, so stay tuned.
Put that on here and mark it out. Square there. There's the line. Perfect. Try not to pull me at the end of your video, man.
When you slam into a tree like that, I got to.
Get more likes.
It's priceless, yeah.
Get more likes.
Hilarious.
People's face for the end of the video. Mike's dropping at the end. Watch.
So this video dedicated to Michael bank account.
We
What?
shouldn't get the front tree.
Like that other one.
The tree moved.
So we got the ramp built and we got cones set out in 10-foot increments up to 100 feet so we can measure out how far each truck or car goes. The ramp's got a lot of kick to it. We're getting ready to take it for a test spin here and see how it works out. But you see our marking cones here so we can figure out the distance that each truck travels. It is a competition. $10 entries, top 3 places take money. Now here's the ramp we built. We built it on site. Came out pretty good. That was a good jump.
Good.
Mike won the competition with an 89-foot long jump. Now that we've had our fun and we've caused our trouble, we have to disassemble the mega ramp, load it up on the golf cart, and pack all this stuff out of here and leave this park cleaner than it was when we found it. Stick around.
Double, double. Oh, yeah. Right here. Let me know if anybody's coming on that side. Drive it. There we go. I don't know.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.